A very good morning to everyone present here. On behalf of management, our principal, Dr. Katie Thomas, and the staff of St. Francis de Sales College, Nagpur, I, Ms. Surbi Walde, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, and your host of the session. I extend a warm welcome to our delegate speaker and dear students for Take Persona, the 3 day soft skill bootcamp. The one who falls and gets up is stronger than the one who never tried. Do not fear failure, but rather fear not trying. Today, day 3 session on industry expectation, I feel huge delight to introduce our speaker, Dr. Anubhav Mishra. Dr. Anubhav Mishra is a PhD marketing from the Indian Institute of Management, Lucknow. He is working as an associate professor at Jaipuria Institute of Management, Lucknow. He worked as assistant professor, regular faculty at the Indian Institute of Management, Ranchi for almost 3 years. He has also done an executive postgraduate program from the Indian Institute of Management, Kozhikode. He has 11 years of industry experience with reputed firms like SAP Labs India and Infosys Technologies Limited. He has conducted various MDP programs for executives across different levels. He has also been involved with consulting projects. Now, I request Dr. Anubhav Mishra sir to please guide and motivate our students.
Thank you, Professor Surabhi. Thank you for such a warm welcome and good morning to all present in the class, faculty members and students. So the crux of this session would be to handle the questions and queries in your mind, because this is the time where many of us need to take the next leap of faith in the career. So first choice happens when we finish our 10 plus 2, and then second choice happens once we are graduating, right? So I have shared a survey form with you, and 107 of you have replied. So I have structured my presentation and discussion around your questions, but feel free in between if you have any questions or queries. I mean, I would love to be have an interaction session. It's not a classroom session, so please feel free to stop me and raise your query. So this is what the crux of the matter in this. So I asked you which kind of job career you are more looking forward to. So as you see around, most of you are inclined toward technology jobs, followed by management and entrepreneurship. So since you are doing, most of you are already doing your BCA and hope to go for a master's, and some of you asked question how what is the difference between MBA and MCA. So this is a rough profile I got from this group. So we'll discussing what kind of career options we are in different field and how to prepare. Just before starting, as per my industry experience, there are some common things. So I will touch upon that. So for example, for a job, you will need technical expertise specific to that job. So if you want to go for an IT related job, you may be needing coding skills, right? If you go for management job, you need a management education. But there is a common theme across these two jobs, that is your personal effectiveness. So your communication skill, your negotiation skill, your teamwork, they are always valued irrespective of the job you do. So we will touch upon all this. So how I will start, I have clubbed your responses and I will try to answer as much as possible. And obviously not possible for me to answer all 100. So logically, I will try to answer. And in between, if you guys have any question, you can ask. Please use chat box. And if you can switch on your video, that would be great. So that I can see some people at least, especially students. So feel free. I mean, Okay, so if you can, some of you can switch on our video, that would be great. That would give you some sense of, an interaction, a classroom session. Because some of you have asked that you are not able to concentrate during online education. So this is one reason. When you hide behind a wheel, you can't concentrate on anything, right? And your college theme, when I see, and Professor Surbi talked about fear. We have to overcome our fear. And unfortunately, in online education, the wheel, the hiding behind the, switching off your video, this has created a kind of obstruction between the instructor and the receiver, and that's where our concentration goes off because there is a lot of distraction in the background, right? So I leave it to you, but again, I can only humbly request if you can switch on your video, that would be great. Okay. So the for one common question came, what to do after graduation, BCA, BSc. Okay. So there are two possibilities. So one is your technology. So most of you wanted to do a technology jobs. So which means either you are doing MCA, and again, technology at this level, it's not only limited to MCA. You can even go for MTech. So many of you didn't ask for it, but you masters in any technology field is possible, right? And even in India, some of the good institutes and IITs, they are offering MSc, but in AI and machine learning or data analytics, right? So right now, if you say look at technology, so we have, if I think most of you would not be born or very small at around when we crossed this 2000. So that time when in IT industry in India was booming, it was mostly coding job. So the companies from USA and Europe, they outsourced the job to India. And in India, most of us people were doing the coding kind of thing. But in last 20 years, or especially last 5 years, if you see, there is a rise of AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation. So this is where now technology is headed. So if you are looking for that, so I would advise you to hone your skills on these things. AI and ML, two popular coding platforms. One is Python, and second is R. So I mean, R is free to download, and Python is also, and there are many online, courses are available. So which can give you some basic idea. So this
Sir,
is
can you
where I
raise your
would.
volume?
I think, Ankur, I'm not audible.
No, sir,
Sir,
you are, but your
you are
voice,
perfectly audible, sir.
but your
Okay,
voice is
so
very low.
just try increasing voice from your end, or is it a problem with everyone? Because
No, sir, your voice is perfectly audible, sir.
It is
I guess
audible,
there is.
sir. It is audible.
Okay. So I think you need to increase voice from your end, that is speaker. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
yeah, just try it out. Should work. So okay, coming back to the technology. So this is where the things are moving, and I'm sure. Let me ask you, how many of you watch Hollywood movies? Can you share at least type some names of recent Hollywood movies where you have seen a lot of technology?
Dear student, this session is interactive. So
Right.
you can, you can turn on your camera and you can ask your question or doubt, whatever it is, directly to the sir.
Tenant, Men in Black 3, Men in Black 2.
Okay. Fast and Furious. Tenet is an excellent movie.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Interstellar, Exception.
Okay, so you are a Christopher Nolan fan. Okay. Can make
Very
it good.
big.
Yeah.
Very big fan.
Yeah. So
Iron Man.
yes. So if you have watched those movies, then I need not stress the importance of AI. So in Avengers, anyone remembers the AI name, the name of that artificial intelligence? There's one part of Avenger movie where Jarvis, right? Anyone remembers that?
Yes, sir.
Right. So So this is how things work, right? And why I quote the movies? Because movies are reflection of our society. They kind of give us a direction where we are headed for future, right? So the top Hollywood blockbuster movie, if you see, even in Bollywood, I am sure some of you must have watched Robot, right? Robot 1 and 2. That was pure technology movie. So we have created as a robot. We are trying to put some AI into it so that the robot learns the emotions and then react. So this is where technology is heading. It is not a simple computer. I put 2 plus 2 and I get a 4, right? So whether it is Avenger or our own robot. So this is that what I'm trying to stress. The world is moving. So this is not now a typical say Java programming or C plus programming, which were prevalent like 5-10 years back. So things have moved. So if you want to go into that kind of direction, so you may look to learn about this technology or read about it, what they are. Because right now, especially in this online world, you can find some nice YouTube videos, nice blogs, which give good information. And you can start on your own if you want to try your hands out. Okay. So this is about the technology job. People ask about the government jobs. Yes, you can go for a government job, but there are many government jobs, so which was not there. I mean, if you want to become an IAS, definitely you can go for administrative services or PCS. If you want to go in banking, there are again a lot of options open. Right? For banking, if you want to go, banking will test your verbal and non-verbal abilities, okay, and your aptitude. So there are many good books available. So like which will hone your skill on maths and aptitude and English, right? So I would suggest you can just go for good books. From 7 is from R.S. Agarwal. So one of our student asked the book, okay, and follow that if you want to go for banking. One interesting question was, is it okay to ask salary at interview? So I thought let me put it here. So there are two ways. Like in our institute, Jaipuria, when companies come, they already mention the salary. So they are coming to recruit a student and they will say, I am giving you X amount of money. Roughly, I will say X to, so like 100 to 110 rupees. So this is the range they will say. This is my salary range. And then depending upon your capability, you will get something like this. So that is one aspect. So you need not ask for salary. Right. Second, where companies come and do mass recruitment. So especially in IT industry. So the likes of Infosys or Wipro and TCS, right? So because I worked with Infi, so that's how it was. So depending upon the college, they already have a salary band in their mind. So suppose Infosys goes to a very top college, they will have definitely high salary versus tier 2 and all that. So in that case, what I would advise, avoid asking salary because the results are not yet out. Are you getting the point? Because the result is not, you are in an interview and you are answering some questions and you don't know whether you'll be selected or not, right? So please avoid asking for salary and all that. Preferably you ask for kind of work is expected because that shows you are interested in working for that company and you are not there for money. No one likes, I mean, not a single company would like to have a person for money, right? So better you ask question, what is expected out of me? What should I work upon? What are my, say, weaknesses you found in interview, which I can improve upon? So these are interviews are a platform where you can understand your weaknesses from a corporate side of you. I mean, I may think I'm very good at communication, but when I go for interview, the interview may say, no, you would like this. So the reflection of my evaluation will be very different from what is needed in corporate world. And if you are reading newspaper around, I think 2 days back there was a survey done, and most of the industry experts are saying that even people from IITs and IIMs are not employable. So employability is very low. I'm taking the name of topmost institute in India, right? So this is the place and interview where you should ask the areas for improvement and the kind of work expected so that the time when you will be joining the company and the gap in between, you can utilize it. Okay. So don't ask for salary. I know we are all worried about salary. The best part would be ask your seniors who are there, how much they got. So I assume most of the companies you will know that they are coming multiple times, or you will have your friends there, right? So best is ask them how much they are paying, okay, and not directly to the company. Then one question was, how can I get a job in MNC? So if you are doing masters, either MBA or MCA, you can always get a job via campus placement, because I am assuming you are directly going from college and you do not have a experience. So like in Jaipuria, we get many MNCs, we get Amazon, Deloitte, and all that. And why MNC? Now, Indians are MNC, right? You know, Tata bought Tetley, Tata bought Jaguar in United Kingdom. So now India is the MNC. So I think it's time. In my time, 20 years ago, we used to think MNC. If you go to Bangalore and IT capital, what do you think? IBM is an Indian company or MNC? Getting that? So India is MNC. IBM's Accenture of the world, they have the highest headcount in India. So technically, IBM is populated by Indians. So what? I mean, the definition of MNC is over, because earlier MNC means you will go to foreign job and all that. But unfortunately or fortunately, all the MNCs are in India, sitting in Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, NCR. So it doesn't matter where you work, you will be based in Bangalore. Whether it is Microsoft or Yahoo or Amazon or Google, the top MNCs. Apple is there. Apple already put a manufacturing plant in South India. So if you get an MBA and operation job, you will be based in South India working for Apple, right? So please do not worry or segregate. In India, the Indian brands are doing pretty well. Decide for yourself. So you should go for Maruti or for Ford, because Ford just ended their operations there, right? And I'm sure you heard, which company you used to order food? Which app?
Zomato,
And
Swiggy,
Swiggy, Food Panda.
Food Panda is closed, right?
Uber Eats,
Okay. And which among Zomato and Swiggy, which one is MNC?
Swiggy.
Both are Indian, okay? We don't have an MNC in the top hot spot, okay? Amazon, we call it MNC, but it's Indian, and there is a Flipkart. So choice between Amazon and Flipkart. I mean, we can go by industry. IT, where would you? Infosys or TCS versus IBM or Accenture in Bangalore, right? Automobile, Maruti and Hero, both are Indian companies. Maruti is market leader since ages, right? And same for Hero Honda or TVS, our Mahindra. So what I'm trying to is just the demarcation between MNC and Indian companies are now over. Almost in all the industry, Indian brands are market leaders. Indians, even the MNCs are there. Their head of operations are Indians. So the earlier that USA boss, the concept is over. Okay, so get in a good company. That is my advice. Don't go for the company which offers you growth, right? That is more important. Okay. Our Patanjali is a very good example. So in MBA, we talk much about Patanjali. So Patanjali is like giving very tough competitions to Hindustan Unilever Limited, Nestle, and ITC. It's earlier it was in medicine. Now they have moved to FMCG. And many of the top brass from Unilever Limited or HUL, let me say, they have joined Patanjali in last 5 years, and that's why Patanjali did very well. So get out of this mindset. So get a good job. That's all. Okay. Few questions are about hospitality and medical center. So hospitality is again a very good sector, but again, what I'm trying to say in hospitality, what you would like to do. So hospitality, say, for example, if someone is a graduate from a hotel management institute, so he will be knowing on how to operate that business, right? Hotel management. Some could be chef, so they will be learning food and technology, right? So I couldn't get from your side because you had done a BCA. So you have a computer application or a So in hospitality, you may not be a good fit, but for that you need a education on either hotel management or the cooking, because these are the two important aspects. If you want to go into back office operations, you may handle say finance of the hotel, so or you may be an IT team of that. So that is different. So for that, industry doesn't matter. I mean, you could be in an IT team of hospitality or a hospital or even for a government IT cell. Right? And say for medical again, with this degree, not you have to go have an specialization on medical degree, then only you can get into a medical job. Can I go ahead with the startup on my own? Why not? I have a full slide for this startup, and I always encourage my students, whether they were at IIM Ranchi or they are in Jaipuria, avoid this mindset of getting a job. Better you go for to give a job. And Nagpur, I'm not sure, but how much, but like we are in the heartland of UP, so like Lucknow and nearby cities and the villages, what we get to read in local news, even farmers are now doing very well, which do not have a official business degree. Right, so I would always encourage to look for opportunities. So last week I was reading about. Have you heard about dragon fruit?
Yes, sir.
What is that? What is a dragon fruit? It's a type of fruit which looks pretty odd and it tastes very strange. Okay. I'm sure you heard about organic foods, organic farming.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And then horticulture, the flowers and all that. So
Yes, sir.
in this, we get a lot of news where farmers have shifted from typical rice and wheat to just dragon fruit. And dragon fruit, if you go to market, find it out, it's very, very costly. Right? And they are making 3 to 4 times of money. So example, they have invested 5 lakh in a year, they are making 15 lakhs, 3 times of that. You're getting that? So it's a 15 lakh salary. Right? A job with 15 lakhs and you are your own boss. And maybe you expand, maybe in 2-3 years, when you expand, you may make 25 lakhs. You hire 3 people below you. You simply sit in your home and just do and check around, right? So this is where I'm saying startup. We'll discuss more on that, but this example came because there are a lot of opportunities. About foreign universities, yes. Some people ask the ranking. So there is something called QS World Ranking. You can check it online, and you can see top 100, top 500 universities there. So you can select a university and then apply. Typical process is you apply and then you have to get a recommendation letter from your professors or some industry people. But for a university, one a little drawback, or I would say catch, is the fees. So check if you can. So the fee is pretty high. It's a dollar terms or euro, which is pretty high. In the same kind of fee, you can do something very good in India as well. Okay. Then I'm doing cloud technology. Yes, you can go. So now one common theme came, MBA versus MCA. So I will spend some time on it. What do you think MBA, after MBA, what people do? What is your perception?
Management in any field.
Management of what?
Human resource, agriculture.
Okay. Yeah, someone else was speaking, so feel free. I mean, what do you think about MBA?
सर बेस्ट इन मार्केटिंग स्किल्स और लगता है कि बिजनेस ज्यादा करना चाहिए.
Okay. MBA में what are the parts you are know? One is marketing. What else?
Finance.
Finance. Okay. Good.
HR.
HR. Okay. What else? Operations. Okay. IT is also there.
IT management, agriculture management.
Yeah, agriculture management is there. So these are specific: agriculture management, hotel management, hospitality are there. So I will explain a little bit of all these functions, and then you will get a better idea what MBA people do. Okay. So MBA, as the name says, Master of Business Administration. So MBA is more of the administrative kind of role, where, as you have rightly said, we manage resources, and resources could be of any type. If you are managing resources, could be your human, people, assets, right? So if you are as a MBA in a logistic department, supply chain, so you'll be managing the delivery of trucks and all that, right? This is what I'm trying to say. So marketing and finance are the top most functions of any business. You can take example of any business, marketing and finance. So that's why most of the students do specialization in marketing and finance, and most of the jobs are in these two domains. Okay, so marketing, what happens in marketing? Any ideas?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I have done network marketing I am doing network marketing from last 2 years. तो
Okay.
वहाँ पे marketing skills काफी सीखने के लिए मिलती है सब. Strategies and how to sell.
Right.
The basic thing is sir कि हमको सामने वाले की needs पूरी करते आना चाहिए. Then you can earn a lot.
Right. So thank you, Madhuram, right?
Yes, sir,
Okay.
Madhuram.
Madhur. Okay, thank you. So you are, I mean, absolutely on the target. So marketing is about one aspect is selling. So this is what you does. You go and sell consumers. Second, marketing involves lot of functions actually. One is selling, which you see on the ground. Then there are branding, how you create brands, right? So some top brands in India. Any examples?
Yuma.
Byju's.
Byju's and
Byju's.
Maruti.
Maruti. Good. Any cold drink brand?
Pepsi.
Pepsi, and Pepsi is not market leader. So Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up. So these are our top brands. So how will you create brand? Anyone remember when Flipkart was launched? Okay, I'll leave it there. So suppose Flipkart was launched in 2004. It was not a brand. It's like somewhere today we see so many e-commerce websites are being launched. So how will create a Flipkart what it is, right? So when Coca-Cola started, how they created that brand. Recent brands, when Thumbs Up is pretty old brand, but a recent brand is say like Baleno from Maruti. So Baleno is launched in last around 8 to 10 years, right? In the 10 years, they have created a brand out of it. So marketing involves branding, promotion. Another aspect is advertising. So I hope you have seen so many ads, right? So this is all in happens in marketing. Then comes finance. Finance, any idea what they do?
Giving loans.
And okay, so finance triple one. If you are reading this for, you might be seeing quarterly reports. So finance is managing the monetary aspect of the business. Budgeting. There is a project you have to put money. How much you are expected to get out of it. Right? So all these finance-related parameters, balance sheet, accounting. Some of you might be aware of this accounting, right? Creating balance sheet, little bit of CA job, right? So that is managing finance and managing the money in the organization. Suppose a marketing guy comes and says, I want 100 rupees to advertise. Can you directly give 100 rupees? They will check because everyone is coming to the company. Each manager wants some money to advertise, promote, and all that. Which project will you select? Why so you will select? All that happens in finance. Then come operations. So operations handle the operation of business. So operation include your supply chain management, logistic, right? So if you take example of Amazon or Flipkart, Once you place an order, it comes to you. What happens in between? It's pure operations. The moment an order is received at Amazon, the operation guy is ensuring that you get the order within 2 or 3 days, or sometimes some deliveries are on the same day. How do they manage? It's pure operations and logistics. Managing supply chain, it's a very, very complicated job. Just think Amazon. I mean, yeah, I can order from Lucknow, you can order from Nagpur, one can order from somewhere deep, remote area in Assam, one from Jammu Kashmir, and even from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. This is what I'm trying to say. Right? So operations is the backbone which will run the company. Then comes IT. So IT is a little bit different from what services are. IT backbone. So when we say this, for example, of Amazon, when operation happens, so all these things are built on an IT infrastructure. So for example, the whole website requires huge of IT infrastructure. So many people are clicking, browsing, making an order, and each one in the organization can see the information. Someone places an order, what is the order value, where it will go, what is the time taken, where it is right now. This is all IT infrastructure. And then someone needs to manage all this. So one part is your coding, so which is typical technology job will do. So BCA, MCA, BTechs, they'll be doing the coding and creating applications. Someone will be managing all that. Managing an IT team. Managing a project, where to invest next, right? Whether I should upgrade my systems or not. So for example, whether I should use drone for my delivery. This is an IT decision, right? Delivery of packages using drones. So that a management decision, because then you have to create a proposal. If I am supposed to buy 100 drones, how much they will cost, how much revenue I will make out of it. Are you getting? We are talking business language, not the technology. This is what MBA in IT does. And then there is an HR, human resources. So in any organization, you will be working, you will be an employee of that. There will be a person who will be managing only employee. So they will take care of your salary, your motivation, your issues, your leaves, everything, your performance appraisal. So this is what MBA. In a business, all functions happen, and MBA in that specialization will go there. On the other hand, MCA is a technical job. So you will be mostly in the technical aspect of coding, testing, that kind of regular job. So what to do, it's up to you. Do you want or more interested in managing resources? You might be interested in marketing. So you have done BCA, but you think, okay, no, I'm good in marketing. And marketing also now, there is a trend of merging technology. So you, again, this AI and data analytics and everything, they are merged in marketing. I hope you have heard about digital marketing. Anyone knows what is digital marketing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
सर इन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग हम लोग ऑनलाइन सोर्स से मार्केटिंग करते हैं और डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट सेलिंग्स होती है इसमें टू टाइप्स की. एक डायरेक्ट सेलिंग होती है, एक इनडायरेक्ट सेलिंग होती है. जो डायरेक्ट सेलिंग होती है वो डायरेक्ट जहाँ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होती है वहां से ऑनलाइन के थ्रू कुछ ही लोगों के थ्रू डायरेक्टली वो कस्टमर को प्रोवाइड की जाती है. जहाँ मैन्युफैक्चर हो रही है वहां से वहां पे हमको कस्टमर, रिटेलर्स एंड बीच के लोगों का जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. बट जहाँ इनडायरेक्ट सेलिंग होती है वहां पे लोग सोर्स होते हैं.
Okay. Acha, let me ask you guys one thing. Suppose you want to buy a product, let's say a phone. Okay. You want to buy a phone. How do you buy a phone? From the very first system, let's start. Suppose you want to, you're planning to buy a phone. Kya karte?
Sir, I'll go to the shop, select the model, and give money, and buy the phone.
Okay. Any other thing in between happens? You go to shop first. I'm asking. I mean, this is surprising. Your generation doesn't go to shop.
First we check online.
Most 95% people are doing the first thing on Google, check, right? Correct me if I'm
Yes,
wrong.
sir. Comparison we do.
Okay. Because I am assuming that you have not decided on a brand per se. That is different. Normally, when you are going to buy a product, so like OnePlus, Xiaomi, they have come So suppose you are going to watch a smart watch, क्योंकि वहाँ पे भी उतना established नहीं हुआ. So smart watch is from Realme, then we have Mi band, then Huawei band, all that, right? So which one is what? What they do have? You have to compare. So suppose you are looking between 2-3 smartphones, Samsung, Xiaomi, and all that. Which processor? How much GB RAM? So the first step starts online, isn't it? Then online you will read, compare, and will make a mind. Online, what happens other than price comparison? What else you check?
Prices, we search for the best deal.
Deals, right? And so suppose there are two brands A and B, and both are like 10,000. What else will you check?
We will trust the
Sir, quality, branding, rating.
Rating, quality you cannot, quality you cannot check online, right?
rating and reviews.
Reviews will give an indication of quality. So you are getting where I'm at. So you do an online search, you read reviews and ratings from other users or experts or websites. And this is how you finalize or decide this is the product I am going to buy, isn't it? And then how do you buy? Suppose you have decided I want to buy product A because it got good reviews, it fits my budget. And then how will you buy?
What,
How
sir?
do you buy the phone?
सर शॉप पे जाके भी बाय कर सकते हैं और ऑनलाइन भी कर सकते हैं. It's up to us.
So most of you I am asking, how do you buy?
Online.
Online. Okay. And how do you pay?
Debit card, ATM card.
Cash on delivery.
UPI.
Google Pay, UPI. Now you get where is the whole technology, right? You start with technology, you do a search online, you read the reviews online, you make up your mind, you buy it online, you pay it online, right? And then if you are happy or unhappy, then you share your reviews online and you give your rating online, and that's how the whole loop is
Both
completed,
things is in online.
right? So why I was discussing this, the whole MBA of selling, like some of you told, it's about selling, branding, all that. Everything is happening on technology. How you are selling? Yes, shops are there, I'm not denying, but majority of now shift is happening to online. And in last 1.5
Technology
years,
based.
after Corona closed all the shops for 2 months. Remember the last year lockdown, whole India was closed. So everyone was forced to online. So this last 1.5 years created a lot of challenges, plus they have created a lot of opportunities. So this is now the new phase of MBA. So if you have a technology degree in graduation, and some of you said whether I can go for MBA, will it be helpful or not? MBA is involving a lot of technology. So having a technology background is actually beneficial now, because you understand technology, and once you understand management, you can merge together the knowledge of both the good word, and then you can make decision. Okay.
Sir, is it possible to take knowledge of both the fields?
Come again, please. I'm sorry, I couldn't hear.
Is it possible to take knowledge of both the fields?
Yes, after say graduation, you can do an MBA, because in MBA you will be exposed to a lot of technology as well, but from a management point of view, not from say coding point of view. So there is a course on say data analytics. In our MBA, we have a course on data analytics, and in some of the technology courses you will find it. In MBA, we teach data analytics, but we teach from the management point of view. We don't teach you how to code and do that. We teach you once the data is there, how to interpret and use it. So you will get a lot of data from your retail store, from your shopping behavior, from your online touch point. You see all the reports, and then how you make sense out of that data. So this is what is taught in MBA. So these courses are there: data analytics, a little bit of machine learning, marketing analytics, right? So even in MBA, they are taught because now this is the requirement of industry. As an MBA, you cannot say, sir, I don't know this R or Python, I don't understand. No, that is, you can't say. You have to
Sir, but
understand the
only,
system. Yeah.
sir, but only the MBA guy will tell me how to present the phone photo, how the font should be written.
Yes. Yeah, again, this is we are talking about majority, right? If you are a startup, there are no MBA, you are the startup, you are the CEO, you are the MBA guy, you are the technology guy, and you might be the delivery guy. So startup and very small companies I'm taking out. Most of the general established company, this is how the business function works. For management job, they have an MBA degree. So if you can look at Ascent or Naukri.com, you will see anything with manager, they will have, require a eligibility criteria itself will be a MBA degree. But for technology, C++ project, they will need a BTech degree. So that's how the separation is there in industry. So as a startup, I am not talking. A startup means you are your group, 3 people have started. So all 3 have to do all the tasks from delivery to manager to operations to what so not. So read about the story of Flipkart if you guys are interested. They are from IIT's pure BTech guy and they have created a wonderful company. So they have done everything. They didn't hire an MBA to do the marketing of Flipkart. Right? So startup works in very different way because you are bounded or restricted by money. You don't have much money. So everything you have to do. So some general questions were there. So especially online, how to study, people are losing concentration. So I requested, like in class, you don't go wearing a, what to say, behind a cloth, right? Hidden behind a cloth. You are in the class, faculty is in front of you, you are there, there is an eye contact, you talk. In online, you put your video off, पीछे से मम्मी खाना बना रही हैं. Like in the last 1.5 years, जो हमारा experience you are seeing. Someone is having birthday. Mummy, आज birthday है, fried rice banana. This is what we are listening in class. So where is your concentration? You are killing your concentration, right? People are switching off the videos when if there is a class at 9:30 or 9:30, they will just switch it on. Then they do go and do brush. In online, in offline class, that never happens. You can finish your breakfast and then prepare. So unfortunately, you guys are creating those kind of distraction because in a house there are a lot of distraction. I can't take a class from my house, right? The daughter, son will be playing around something else. There's a milkman, the bill is rang, right? So technology is already creating a lot of distraction, and the moment we put this in front, so then obviously we will out of the class, and then we are more interested what is happening in house, who is coming, what is cooking, what maid is doing. Or sometimes you are in the class just by logging in, but people are watching web series, India Australia match, India England. So the choice is yours, right? Whether you want to study, you want to focus in the class, or simply you can just log in and forget about it. So I'm sure some of faculty member, if they are there, they will have faced similar thing. Dr. Dilip, can you share something if I'm right, or is the same situation is same kind of participation, right? So what I'm telling, concentration is up to you. No one can teach you. So you have to be present in the class, whether it is offline and online. You have to keep talking. You have to put chat box, use chat box. People use phone and WhatsApp during the class, talking to your friend, but not talking to the teacher. So you don't, if you are not focusing on what is taught, what you are listening, if there are doubts, so no one can help. It's something like asking how to lose weight. If you ask how to lose the weight, someone will try, do exercise, eat healthy, walk. But doing this is with you. You are sitting in front of TV whole day, eating French fries and pizza, then you can never lose weight. So the choice is yours. And why I am telling this, and we are seeing the effect on the placement. People who have utilized online classes, who have listened, because these were the tough times, they are doing pretty well. And the moment you are switched off from the classes, you will not recall any concept, and then it becomes very difficult for you to get good marks or getting placed, because the company will ask question and you were off. You didn't listen. You couldn't recall what was taught in even today's class. So why someone should hire you? Getting there? So the choice is, I leave it to you guys. These are the tough times, but this provides you an opportunity, because top 10% who is active now, there is a gap between not inactive and active is huge. In a class, when it is happening in a real class, there are always some people who are inactive, some are active, but the gap is less. But in online, the gap becomes huge. Okay. How to be more happy in life? This is an eternal question. This is nothing to do you or me. All the humans on this planet Earth have this question: how to be more happy in life? Don't try
Accept
to be.
everything, whatever is going in life.
So philosophical question, philosophical answer. First thing, try to be satisfied what you have. Being content. People are happy irrespective of their income. People are happy of their job profile. They are in rural areas, urban areas. People even who are sleeping on the road, they are very happy. Have you ever tried going around like 11 or 12 p.m. just Nagpur visits around? You will see some people on the road. They are sleeping, talking, and happily. You can see a lot of happiness on their faces. The end of the day, they are laughing around, talking in their groups. They don't need an MBA degree. They don't need a job. And unfortunately, if you are following last 1.5 years, we have seen the most successful, the case of like Sushant Singh or recent happened for Dhawan, right? So with whom we think they have got all the money, fame, popularity, everything, but couldn't survive, couldn't be happier. Right? So the being happy is very individual. And there is no trick or tips. Only thing, be content. हिंदी में हम लोग को एक कहावत होती थी, right? When I used to do my BTech, so I will repeat it. पैसे में ऊपर वाले को देखना चाहिए और खुशी में नीचे वाले को. Right? So नीचे वाले को देखना in the sense, why he is so happy? I am earning so much, this guy is not earning, but why he is so happy? What he is doing is, so we have to learn from those people who are happy. And happiness is unfortunately not materialistic. So money never brings happiness. Money never brings happiness. So please forget about it that if I earn more, I will be happier. No. Money brings us something called temporary happiness. It's like burger. You go and eat burger, you feel happy. The fries you eat, the chips you eat, but later on they add fat on your body. If you regularly eat fries, you know, you will end up with diabetic or heart disease or cholesterol. So that is not happiness. The word, technical word is called immediate gratification. Right? That's like itching. You eat, sometimes itching happens, you set and you do that, you feel good, but is it happiness? Itching isn't happiness, is it? Or is it? So the happiness, the simple mantra, my opinion, everyone has its own opinion. Be content what God has given to you, right? Many of people have lost their near ones in COVID, and I am survived that, and in sitting in front of you, that is the biggest happiness for me. That my family members are safe and sound. We have seen here, especially in India, MP, MLAs, cabinet minister, doctors, celebrities, very fit people. I mean, there was no one who was like, people from all these categories, they unfortunately lost their life. So the biggest happiness could be, I'm alive. I'm here to enjoy my moment, right? What else you want to be happier than that you are alive? So this is, if you think, some positivity. People will say do some meditation, yoga, but this is poop and calm. Okay, so that's the one thing about being happiness. Some questions are beyond the scope of this session. So some people ask Bollywood, modeling, Air Force, become a footballer, in sports. I'm sorry, I am not the right person. So Bollywood and Air Force, the latest I have put in front of you. Okay, so you may do some course on designing, so and theater. So there are some good institutes where really want to go in Bollywood and all that. Okay. Air Force and Army, they already have their own website where they publish what they want. So one thing is the physical health is very important for them. Even for specs, I think there are limitations that up to what level your specs should be there. Then your height, weight, all are very critical. So first check whether physically you are able to maintain that or not. And then for like NDA and all that, they have an exam, so you can look at the books. But that's all my knowledge. I can't help you more than about that. I don't know why did you ask Bollywood again? The technologies. Anyone knows Dancing Fufa के बारे में सुना है किसी ने? Dancing Fufa. I think 2 years back it was very popular. There was one dancing guy who became very popular. देखा
Yes,
किसी ने उनका?
Yes, sir.
He went and he was in this with Salman Khan show and all other. So you, again, what I'm trying to tell you, you don't need a Bollywood celebrity. I am hoping you know a lot of YouTube influencer and Instagram people, right? There is one Bagdam, I keep forgetting his name, it keeps coming. Right? So if you have the talent, if you can sing well, you can do some comedy or something, you can create your own YouTube channel. I mean, why you need Bollywood? And then you create your own followers and you become a star of your own. Many RJs are doing it. Okay, so even food blogging is there, right? And there are small kids who have a lot of followers these days. So if you want in that direction, popularity, utilize your talent and use your digital technology. So no need to go typical Bollywood Karan Johar and Kabhi Saas Bahuti type of stuff. If you think you can, you are a good singer, create good song, put it on YouTube, share it on WhatsApp and get likes. Okay. Before, I mean, this is one of the last year. I think last 1.5 year industry media is always saying it's very tough time, very challenging time. But from our end, we think it is the best time. This is the best time when people who are looking for entrepreneurship. There are many people who, I mean, second highest people. I'll be sharing few examples. I mean, there is a whole world of examples. So these are some of the startups. If you have an idea, you can run a business. So like in wedding season, if you go and buy a suit, it costs 50,000 and you wear only once in your life, assuming you are not getting married twice. And even if you are getting married twice, I'm pretty sure your partner will say, buy it new from me, not from your old marriage, okay? Are you people ready to invest 50,000? So idea came to people. Why not rent it? 150,000 suit versus 5,000, 3 different suits in a wedding. 15,000, you are done. So what I'm trying to say, this time COVID has force and technology using and all that, people are coming with wonderful ideas and making a lot of money. And this is the time. Guy and Bash Bitch now. This was I just recently last week I came to know. I don't know. Have you ever thought of? We have Amazon, Flipkart selling dal, chawal, sabun, smartphone, and what's not sofa. Why not sell cows, buffalo, or even like dogs and these cats online? Or this website is already there. If you want to buy a cow, you can go buy a cow online now. It's like people, are you getting this? This is the time to have idea and test. And I found this very nice idea about blood donors. Because most of the time when anyone is hospitalized, they will need the blood. But how to get it? So बोलेंगे किसी को पकड़ के लाओ. And then people are ready to donate blood. So there's a website for that. If someone wants blood, and you can always post it, and the people who want to donate blood, they can simply match, and immediately this can be done. It's actually a wonderful addition to humanity. Then there is something called check-ins apartment. So in Nagpur, I hope some of you might be living inside a gated community or apartment. So where someone is coming to meet you, so guard will call you, right? Sir, koi milne aaya. How does it happen? Hello, anyone can tell? In apartment, how does it happen?
सर जो सिक्योरिटी गार्ड होता है उसके पास एक कॉमन टेलीफोन कनेक्शन होता है.
हाँ.
और वो सभी के घर के नंबर्स के हिसाब से पिन होता है, जैसे नंबर 1 पे हाउस नंबर 1, नंबर 2 पे हाउस नंबर 2। एंड
right,
दिस कॉल्ड एंड सिंपली आस्क देम कि ये आपके रिलेटेबल लोग है कि नहीं, उनके बाद में इंफॉर्मेशन
right,
लेके इफ
right. So,
यस तो जाने पास होने देते, अदरवाइज नहीं। और सर अभी एक न्यू ऐप लॉन्च हो रहा है जो नागपुर के ही लॉजिस्टिक कंपनी से हो रहा है। इट्स एन ऐप जो हम लोगों को डायरेक्टली लिस्ट देता है। गेटेड सोसाइटी के लिए अभी न्यू ऐप लॉन्च हुआ है जो जया दादा लॉजिस्टिक्स में भी जो अभी ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहा है इस ऐप को।
so
तो
उस ऐप में क्या होता है?
उस ऐप में जितने भी मतलब काम होते हैं सिक्योरिटी से रिलेटेड वो होते हैं, जैसे कि सबके पास में ये एप्लीकेशन होगा और मेन जो सिक्योरिटी होल्डर्स होते हैं मतलब गेटेड सोसाइटी के सोसाइटी मैनेजर या जो भी है उनके पास इसका मेन सर्वर होगा और वो मेन सर्वर बाय करके रखेंगे। अब उस मेन सर्वर में इनको जैसे कि कोई भी काम वाली बाई आ रही है, कोई या दूध वाला आ रहा है, कोई भी आ रहा है, तो वो जब भी चेक इन करेगा तो उस ऐप से लोग टिक लगा चुके होंगे कि ये चेक इन कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा।
Right,
इफ
right.
और ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे कि कोई अकेला रह रहा हो या ज्यादा फैमिली के साथ नहीं रह रहा हो या कोई बहुत ही ओल्ड, अगर वो कोई बीमार है और वो रिंग नहीं कर पा रहा है या लोगों के पास जाके बता नहीं पा रहा है, अगर वो अपने फोन से 2 to 3 टाइम्स टैप करता है तो अदर्स को इन्फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगी और वो हेल्प भी कर देंगे। तो ये टेक्नोलॉजी का एक बहुत अच्छा यूज है।
Right. So this is what check-in apartment apps are. So that's why I
Yes, sir.
put it here. So you get the idea. You are. I mean, we are living in apartments since ages. और ये regular problem है. फोन खराब है, फोन नहीं काम कर रहा, नीचे से कोई आ रहा, क्या करेंगे? Simple technology solution, right? Multiple ways to check in. You can scan face. There is a code mechanism. The owner in the flat, he shares a code with the visitor. Visitor shows that code, then it means you've seen a share. There are many ways. I'm not aware, but this is the simple idea, and it's used in millions and millions of apartments. Then I think you might be knowing, some of you might have played fantasy cricket. It's a wonderful innovation, right? Cricket in India, we are playing since 1970s and 1983 World Cup in we were. And they have built a game on that just to create, right? You create your own team and see. I hope you are getting right why I am talking. These are the times you just have the idea and then you can do a lot of good things. And the idea like selling cows and buffaloes, just meeting people of like who want blood and who are ready to donate them. I have put last a Gyan Dairy app, so because this is local to Lucknow. Have you heard about this Gyan Dairy app? Anyone in your area?
No, sir.
Okay, so I will share the story of this. I know, I am hope you know who's the biggest brand of milk in India?
Amul.
Amul, and then regional brand होंगे. So like South we have
Patanjali.
Patanjali doesn't sell milk. Yeah,
Mother Dairy.
Mother Dairy and people जो South में they will know Nandini. People from Jharkhand and all that area they will know Medha and Sudha. In UP we have Namaste India and Parag. So milk one is Amul and Mother Dairy. Rest are your local player of that state, isn't it? So this Gyan Dairy app, Gyan is in UP. So Amul is pretty strong everywhere. So when this lockdown happened, so what they did, they created an app, a delivery app for milk. So you can install the app and then you will have the listing of milk by tone, without tone, milk, cream, half liter, 1 liter. That's how they started. Around 6 varieties, milk, then this paneer and ghee, all the dairy products. So get that. It's a simple app, 8 to 10 choices. You select, I want 1 packet or 2 packet, 1, 2 plus karke, you just select and order. And obviously when you log in profile, you mention your address and phone number, right? It's a simple app. It's one of the easiest app. You can go online and build in 2 minutes. You don't need any technology to do that. You can simply create. So this is what they started when the lockdown, because lockdown, everything was closed and most of the shops were closed. Even Kirana shops where government says open, but people were so afraid that they were not opening it. So how will you ensure? And milk, if you understand from industry, milk is something you deliver it to consumers' home. The biggest competitor is that दूध वाला which comes to your home. वो भर के आके दे देता है. But the biggest problem with them is adulteration. So this guy, this company just created an app for delivering it. So simple, consumer downloads it, gives his address. The one problem is now payment. How will you pay? So the solution was simple digital payment. It's like phone postpaid recharge. Sorry, prepaid recharge. First, I have to recharge for 500, then I can call. So I have to recharge for 500, then I can order milk.
Sir, is
Got
it
the
based
idea?
on monthly or daily?
This is based on
Monthly or daily?
not getting it is in Lucknow. What? This is daily.
Yes, that's one.
So what you are thinking? Should I need to order daily? No. There is an option. I want to each day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I mean weekday. You can select the days of the week, each day or alternate day. These three options were there. So for example, bread I may not need daily, but alternate. So I just click on alternate and every alternate date is coming. Curd I may not need daily. I need alternate day. Curd I have selected and checked this box. So these simple three: daily, alternate day, or you can select particular day of the week. Okay, one time solution, you recharge for 500. Suppose milk costs 25 rupees. So it will come to your 4 into 5, 20 times. 20 days you will get in the morning. You can place an order when they started by 7 in the evening. You will get it by 8 a.m. in the morning. Because that is the biggest challenge. Doodh has to come before 8 or 7:30. And believe me, they started from zero and they have made around 600 crores of business via this app in 1 year. From 0 to 600 crores. Okay? So that's the beauty of idea, because I worked with Gyan and we are doing a case study, so I know a lot of stuff there. So that's why I thought, let me share just you get the idea. Doodh, which was delivered since ages. If COVID would not have happened, this would not have happened. Still, we would be getting either I will go to shop and get my milk, or Doodh wala will give it to me. Doodh delivery via app, it would not have happened. It's just the COVID which triggered that idea. COVID triggered the idea of Swiggy and all that genie. You're getting that? I want Swiggy and Zomato, why they are rising now so fast after? Because people learn to order online and now the habit is there. Okay. So COVID forced all this. COVID forced people to go and look for online shopping. Perhaps there is a segment which never wanted to do online. And now just to tell the story of complete the Gyan right now, what they have done a tie-up with one of the best bakery brand in Lucknow, Mr. Brown. So now you can order cakes. So they have moved from the simple dairy which they make. Now they are doing tie-up. Tie-up means they are asking, getting commission from Mr. Brown. Hey, I am putting your bread or your cake, your pastries here. Someone orders, I will get this much money. So
Like
now
Zomato.
I'm not. Yeah, I'm not. No, Zomato is different. Zomato is based on your restaurant and all that and delivery. Here, Gyan, what is the biggest thing? I have my delivery people who always go to your home at 7:30 in the morning each day, and that only day. Are you getting the point? After 8, there is no delivery. All the things, milk, bread delivered by 8, and you can't order like Zomato or Swiggy. मुझे 1 घंटे में दूध चाहिए. No. The business model is by 7:30, whatever you need, it's there. Then it will come to next day. It's not 24/7. So whatever the delivery man I had, they are students or very basic, जिनको सुबह जाके 100 delivery किया, like newspaper delivery guy. You are not there employed full time like Zomato and Swiggy. That's the problem, right? So anyone who wants, I'm free morning, my subah ke I deliver it to 200, I make some money and that's it. And then I'm okay with my studies or whatever I have to do in my whole day job. I'm not bound to this. Like newspaper delivery boy, just ask to them what they do. They just simply deliver in the morning and whole day is free for them to do whatever job they do. So they did a tie-up with one of the best bakery brand. They are tied up with farmers now, and they are also delivering your typical potato, tomato, and some like lauki and all that. You're getting it? So now this is Big Basket and Grofer. They are not fully Big Basket and Grofer, just they are adding. Because subah my guy is going there. What is the problem to carry 5 kilo of aloo with them? right? And this one cylinder, so I want aloo tomorrow. I will order 2 kg aloo, and by 9:30 they know how much aloo order I have got. And the night they will, but the guy is always going. He will add another 2 bags of aloo and deliver it to you, and make some money out of it, right? And then there are a lot of offer discount. That is different thing, but this is how they have whole story just with a simple milk delivery app that I want. Not Amazon, not Flipkart, not crores of product, assortment, this, that, nothing. No groffer, no big basket, simple. Bread, milk, cheese, curd, and then tire. I am not creating cake or baking cake. I got this Brown. He will pay me because Mr. Brown is selling say 100 cake per day in the shop. Now with this, they are getting 1,000 orders per day. So they are scaling their business like anything. Okay, so that's why the best time I think is now. You just get the idea. I mean, I can if thousand of these stories in COVID, right? Which people are like, you done everything. You might remember or know some good humanity cause, arranging oxygen, cylinder. All help was through technology, social media, and Twitter, right? So I think this is the best time you guys are in. So make the best use out of it. One suggestion from my side, if you want, what should I do now? I only read, not the books. Read any business newspaper. The stories I am telling you, you need to, once you start reading, you will understand what is happening in business, what is happening in technology. So please read newspaper or any business or technology magazine which you are interested regularly. Avoid your mobile. The mobile no one reads, you know it. Form a regular habit. If you are reading, why? If you are reading English, you are reading because industry needs business awareness and communication skill. These are the two something which, whether you are a hospitality, medical, technology, MBA, which field you are in, communication is one of the important. How will you develop? By reading and talking. So please start, put a newspaper subscription. Avoid digital, okay? Digital, I know people, there's very less concentration and all that. Please start doing that. Get a good magazine if you're interested in business, business word and all that, right? Technology, there are many good. Read and be aware what is happening in business. Can I do something? Amazon, Flipkart copied from Amazon. Amazon was selling books there. Flipkart started here. There. Someone is doing Gyan app in Lucknow. Can you do a Gyan app in Nagpur? Can you guys build a simple app for milk delivery? Can you guys build a gate check-in in Nagpur? Because in maybe here it's almost again culture, language, everything may differ. So can you just even copy the idea and see whether it is new in your location, your area? This only you will know. That wedding season renting, it's a location specific. If I open it in Lucknow, you in Nagpur, you cannot, I can't rent it to you. But in Nagpur, if you have a system, definitely why not? So I'm getting that now this is the time to open your ideas and do something. I just wanted to the recent news, which report which I got, that how it has changed the consumer habits. So you can see a lot of technology driven. Everything is not delivery. Earlier we used to go to shop, buy it, come back. Now it is restaurant, grocery, online, and all that. Technology has changed our lives. So please get some ideas and do it. And last, someone asked what's the best career option or opportunities, and you asked how to remain happy. So happy, I can just see one answer. Love what you do what you love. If you are able to do it, you will always be happy. It looks pretty simple. Note this line in your and see. Whether you are in job, whether you are studying or anything. Where think about when you were in class 6, were you more happier than this now? Think about all those things. You were tension free. Go to school, come back, finish your homework in 1 hour. You go play with your friend for 2 hours on the play cricket something. Here what you do? Mobile, PUBG. You're still not happy. PUBG, you fought, you lost. Getting the point. Think about what are the most happiest days, because that time you used to do what you loved. You wanted to play cricket, you wanted to play football, you wanted to talk to your 8 people. The kind of all this happiness. So the mantra for happiness, this is what I have to say. It's again my opinion. This is what I follow. Like, try. Okay. So this is where I finish my session, and thank you all for patiently listening to me. And I hope I answered some of your queries. And in future, if you have something, I think you can reach Ankur and you can talk to me. So in summary, start reading, be content with what you have, and let your brain, your ideas come up. You guys are the future of India. 10 years back, someone like you started at the age of 21 and we have Flipkart, right? Just 1.5 years back, someone started with Gyan app and making a lot of money and just giving jobs to many. And those many, we are like basic student with no skills, just they know how to drive. Nothing else. They even don't need to count the money. They don't need to know the maths. The payment is already done. I just need to know how to drive. Okay. So do well. Take care of your health. Do well for yourself. Do well for your family, and try to do well for your society and for people who really need it. So thank you from my side. Ankurji, please.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So guys, if you have any query, you can ask sir. Otherwise, we will be winding up with this session. So guys, please, if you have any query, you can ask sir.
Students, please ask query, or you can post it in the chat box if you have any doubt. I think no questions. So I request Amar Pimpalkar sir for vote of thanks.
Am I audible, Sylvie?
Yes, sir. Yes, you're audible.
Okay. So thank you very much, Dr. Anubhav Mishra sir, for guiding our students about the industry expectations. In his talk, sir has covered many things like do's and don'ts in the interviews at the start of the webinar. Then the values of technical and managerial degrees like MCA and MBA in the market, and explained many other industries' requirement very nicely. Thank you very much, sir. I hope the talk was indeed a very well-informed and fruitful to all our students. So thank you once again, sir, for your knowledgeable talk and for connecting with us. Thanks a lot. At this time, I also want to thank Dr. Abha Dikshit ma'am, who guide the students on CV writing, and Mr. Prabhu Mathu sir, who guide the students on group discussion and the interview techniques. Also, I want to thank management of the college and our principal sir, Dr. K.D. Thomas, to always inspire us to conduct such online webinars for the benefits of the students. I want to thank Dr. Dilip Sadankar, coordinator of Training and Placement Cell, for organizing such fantastic event for the student. I also want to thank all the organizing committee members, Ms. Surabhi ma'am, Mr. Tinu Joseph sir, and Mr. Rozo sir for their contribution to make this program successful. A big thank to all the dear students who attended this series of webinars and made these webinars more interactive and makes this program a grand success. So thank you all. Take care and have a good time.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, sir. So I'm ending this meeting. If students have any query, so my mail ID is with Dilip, sir. They can mail their queries and we will love to answer them.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Fine.
Thank you, sir. I'm ending this meeting. Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Thanks a lot.
Okay.